Hello everyone, today I would like to show you all how to set require password to power off OnePlus Nord CE3 Lite 5G. Let's have a look. First, swipe up home screen to access app screen. Then scroll and tap Settings app. In Settings, scroll down little bit and tap Password and Security. Tap System Security. Here under Device Security you will see Require Password to power off. Tap Require Password to power off. Set your device to require the lock screen password whenever you power off your device using the power button or Google Assistant. This can prevent your device from being powered off by someone else, so you can find it remotely if you lose it. Just turn on Require Password to power off. Now enter your lock screen password. That's it. Go back and close Settings app. Now whenever you try to power off your device using power buttons, you need to verify password or fingerprint. Enter your lock screen password to power off your device. So these are the steps to set require password to power off your OnePlus Nord CE3 Lite 5G. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.